Fancy the captain. Longmouth snook so. Yeah? Oh, you mean, man? Watch teeth. Yeah, go for them and bring them come. Cooler, man. You never venture out. What you mean by a second rocks you? Tell the people what you mean. After all that hard work that you have put in, what you mean by when a second rocks you? You never go out. Is it when you say that the second rocks you mean that him never come for go see or
no, man, him go with a different somebody.
Him go with a different after all the hard work.
One tree that still.
Yeah, so where you second there? Him there anywhere near ya?
Yeah man, down there somewhere.
Where him name?
Banner. Otherwise Malanga.
Hold on there. We have to go get that interview. We have to go talk to Banner because yesterday you and him see I do some hard work and yeah rig up the whore them, which is where we call the skull or the paddle, yeah, and still it. So how you feel about that?
I don't feel no way, brother. Feel no way.
They say it's part of the fishing.
Yeah.
So this is something that happen all the time.
Yeah, man, all the time in fisherman thing.
Oh, it's a regular thing.
I want trees. I can go to find food to come out serious.
Yeah. So with all of them debris that will come down, the water lilies, the tree chunks, the bamboos, you know, how is it for you now?
Well, fish off, if you clear it and forgot and nothing enough. If I see something that I gone out, this man seriously. I go and see if I'm not get to go with one, I go with the next one see, but as I see everything stands still, so
yeah, so is there any way that you can get any assistance? What about the relevant authority?
I really know about it. I don't know. Because we have to come in together and just do what we can. As I see it yesterday evening, we have to go and help us.
How long you have been here now? On this beach?
Around 7 years.
Alright. Within that 7-year period, you're there, so have you ever seen anything like this before?
First, we see something like this.
When you mean by the first you see something, you have never seen the water lilies and all this debris, the old refrigerator and the bamboos?
No, water lily come in, but it never stay like this.
Okay. Okay. Never stay like this.
Never stay like this where we want to show back when we can't show back. You understand? So as you see all the hook and line boat them. No problem to show back now.
So this is a vast amount. Let me ask you something about your bike. Is it your work? Is it a job that you work and save and buy this bike, or you just work one time and buy this bike?
Save and buy.
So you save from your earning from the sea to buy this bike. Being around the fishing village, you know, what it is like for you?
One thing to know. Although sometimes you still go up on the road or do a 2D and so still, but you don't know fishing in my thing. But I don't know my father and my brother in it. You understand? So fishing get me. So my father a real fisherman. So we just step off, we just follow him footsteps.
So you're fishing before you're born. Eh?
I mean a belly man.
From you and your father back. From you and your father. Eh? Yeah man. So fancy all the best, you know, hoping that you will get some assistance, from the relevant authority to come and help on this beach, because this need heavy duty equipment.
Really?
Yeah.
After relevant authority come give you assistance. When you can't see what going out on the seaside, so we need help. Understand?